أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. All glory be to Allah Almighty, and 100,000s of blessings upon the Prophet of Allah, and hereafter the glorious personality of this happy occasion, advocate in the modern education and great spiritual leader of Ummah, I mean Sayyid Habibul Haq Shah Sahab, and the religious personality and leader of the young lover of the Prophet, a sweet speaker of Sunnah, I mean great Mufti Ghani, and thanks to all my respectable teachers, especially Allama Waqar Ahmad Zai Sahab, and thanks to all respectable teachers, students and lover of the last Prophet of Allah Almighty. Assalamu alaikum. As you know that we are celebrating the day of Eid Miladun Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, the occasion on of completion of 8 Hufaz-e-Kiram who saved and memorized the Holy Quran in here Madrasah Hasneen Kerimin, respected nobilities of Sumri and companion of Sufa Noor Public School and Madrasa Hasneen Kerimin. First of all, we want to know who is Hafiz. In our culture, we say Hafiz is a person who memorized the Holy Quran. Respected audience, what do you think? What will we give to Hafiz-e-Quran? The Prophet of Mercy said, Hafiz-e-Quran who recites the Holy Quran and practices its injunction and command his parents will be given him a crown in the day of judgment. Brightness of the crown, more shining and brighter than the brightness of sun in your actual house. Respected good luck parents of Hafiz-e-Quran and students of Madrasa Hasneen Kerimin, there is another hadith, person who recites the Holy Quran beautifully, smoothly and precisely will be in the company of noble angels. Will be in the company of noble angels. But some people feel it hard to recite the Holy Quran. They stumble and stutter. However, they try such persons, they have double reward. Respected chief guest and audience, now the question is arising in our mind that who is the best among us? I shall surely get different answers. Some people says that the rich is the best. Some other says the doctor is the best. Some other people will give answer. The hard worker, the advocate, the engineer, the politician and the businessman is the best. The religious personality will give answer. The most worshipping and most pious are the best. Honorable audience, but let me tell you what Prophet, peace be upon him, said in this regard. The best among you, the best is the person who learns the Quran and who teaches the Quran. This would be Nazra, Tajweed, Tafsir, memorization, exploration and translation. Honorable assembled pupil, I would like to invite all of you, if you want to make our kids to a best Qari-e-Quran, a best Hafiz-e-Quran, a preacher of Islam, useful person of society, obedience to their parents, then guide your child and admit your child in your Madrasa Hasneen Kerimin and Sufa Noor Public School. God bless all of you. Wassalam.